Hello students, welcome to this lecture session on bitwise operators in C. This is part 3 of this lecture series. I am Dr. Vinay Kumar M, working as assistant professor at Department of Physics, KLE Society's Oral Science Institute, Belagavi. In this session, I am going to discuss about ones complement operator, which is represented by a symbol tilde. As you are aware, the ones complement operator is the only unary operator among all the bitwise operators. So unary operator necessarily requires only one operand. In ones complement of a number, all ones will present in the number are changed to zeros and all zeros are changed to ones. So that's a rule. So if there is a 0, your ones complement will be 1. If it is 1, your ones complement will be 0. So let us go through an example. So if a is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, that is the decimal 0, then ones complement of a is you replace all these zeros by ones. Similarly, if you have a as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, all ones, so then ones complement of a will be all zeros. So that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that was about ones complement. Now the next operator is left shift operator, which is represented by double less than symbol. The left shift operator is again a binary operator. So obviously it requires two operands, namely left operand and right operand. Left shift operator shifts each bit in the left operand to the left. However, the number of places the bits are to be shifted depends upon the right operand. So a double less than 1 would shift all bits in a one place to the left. So this number 1 indicates the bits are to be shifted one place to the left. Similarly, a double less than 3 shifts all bits of a 3 places to the left. When the bits are shifted to the left, there will be blanks. Those blanks are replaced with zeros. Let us understand through an example. We have a is equal to 65. We have the binary value as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So if a double less than 1 means, so you have to shift the numbers one place to the left. One place to the left. You have to shift towards left by one place all the numbers, all the bits. So this 1 is shifted to 0 here, as you can observe. Here this 1 is shifted to 0 and this blank is filled with 0. Blank is filled with 0. Similarly, here this 1 has to be shifted to 0. That is, this 1 needs to be shifted yet. Let us shift that. So if that is also shifted, the result would be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Similarly, if you have a double less than 2, you will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. That means you have to shift 2 places towards your left. So that means if you shift to 2 places, this 1 will be out, so that it will be, the blanks will be filled with 0, so that it will be 0, 0 here. This 1 will be shifted 2 places towards its left, so it is 1, 2. That means it will be shifted here. Similarly, a double less than 3, you have 3 places shifted towards your left, so that is 1 is shifted to here. So all the blanks will be again replaced by 0. So there is another character of this left shifting operator. One left shifting is equivalent to multiplication of left operand by 2 power right operand. Let us understand this through this mathematical expression or relation. So that is A double less than B means it is equivalent to A multiplied by 2 power B. 2 power B. So A is an operand, B is an operand. So A double less than B will be equivalent to A multiplied by 2 power B. So let us understand through an example. The binary value of 32 we have 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. 32 double less than 1 means, so you have to shift one digit towards the left by one place. So you are shifting the bits by one place towards your left. So this one will be shifted to here. So this one will be shifted to here. So this 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, this represents a decimal number 64. Initially you started with 32. Now when you have operated the left shift operator, the decimal number corresponding to that particular binary number is 64. You have started with 32, you are ending up with 64. That is simply a multiple of 32. That is A into 2 power B. Here if you observe, the value of B is 1. So the right operand is 1. That means A into 2 power 1. A is what? 32 into 2 power 1. 32 into 2. It is 64. Similarly, if you have the 32 operated by the left shift operator by 2, 32 double less than 2, you have a number 1 triple 0 double 0 double 0. That yields you a decimal 128. So according to this formula, we have A into 2 power B. So this value of B is 2. The value of A is 32. 32 into 2 power 2, that is 32 into 4, it is 128. Again, the binary equivalent of 128 is this. So it verifies. Similarly, we have another operator called right shift operator, which is represented by double greater than or much greater than. The right shift operator is again a binary operator, so it requires two operands, namely left operand and right operand. A right shift operator shifts each left operand to the right, so it will be shifting to right. The number of places the bits are shifted depends on the right operand. Again, what is the value of right operand? That many number of places it will be shifted. So if you consider an example, A double greater than 1 would shift all the bits in A one place to the right. Similarly, if you have A double greater than B, shifts all the bits of A in 3 places to the right. When the bits are shifted to the right, again the blanks have to be filled with zeros. So let us consider an example. If A is equal to 65, then the binary value of A is 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. If A double greater than 1 means it is, you have to shift your bits towards your right by one place. So here 1 is in second place, it will move to third place. So here 1 is at the end, it will be moved out, so that it will be 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. Similarly, you can do for A double greater than 2, A double greater than 3. Very simple. Again we have another nature of this uh, left operand, which is very important. If the left operand is a multiple of 2 and if it is a non-multiple of 2, so if the left operand is a multiple of 2, then shifting operand to the right is same as dividing it by 2 power right operand. How? Let us see. We have a binary value of 128. It is written by 1 000 0 0 0 0. 128 double greater than 1, that means right shift operator. So it will yield you a value 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, which is the decimal value 64. That is 128 by 2. If you can observe here, the left operand is a multiple of 2. This 128 is a multiple of 2. Then shifting an operand to the right, shifting an operand to the right is same as dividing it by 2. If you shift by 1, so you have here 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. You have shifted by 1 and it has changed from 128 to, which is the decimal, 64. That means simply it says that the rule says that is equivalent to dividing the number by 2. Dividing the number by 2. That is why this rule is applicable only to the left operand whenever it is a multiple of 2. Okay. Similarly, if we have the 128 operated with double greater than 2, so we will shift the bits 2 places towards the right. That means 1 will be shifted to the third place. So 1 will be shifted to the third place here. It has shifted. So you get, so 128 will be converted to the decimal of 32. So this decimal is 32. That is